Hey guys, so this is take 8 of me trying to do this. Well, it was supposed to be a short video on trying to access your homework. And I keep finding errors or just something's not working, something's not updating, or I keep getting interrupted. So let's see if number 8 is going to be the winner. So I'm going to give you a link, and it's going to be this link right up here. And all you got to do is copy paste it into get to that, and it's going to take you to GitHub. It's going to be from my GitHub account, Tasha Penwell Hawking College, and the name of the repository is JS Spring 2020. So I'm already signed in, it looks like, but I am signed in as a different account than this account. The account I'm signed in under is Tasha Penwell HC. So I'm accessing it as a student, just as a student would. So to go ahead and get this into my repository, we are going to fork it. And what we're going to do is click on fork after you go to this link, fork. And now I have Tasha Penwell HC JS Spring 2020. So and you can see that I forked it from Tasha Penwell Hawking College. So everything that was in the JS2 Spring 2020 within this Tasha Penwell Hawking College, I now have under my repository to do whatever kind of edits and stuff that I want to it. So there are several ways that you can access files and information and code from GitHub. One way we did last week was just copy and paste it out of there. Copy it from the text file that is in GitHub and paste it into VS Code. Today I want us to work on something else, do it another way, and that is going to be through downloads. So all a download is it downloads a zip drive, and I've done this a few times, so you might see some numbers after the zip drive, but anyways. I'm going to pause this because I got to clean up another file structure to do this correctly. Okay, I'm back. So all it is a zip drive file. Let me go to my downloads. And so you'll see a zip drive that says JS2 Spring 2020. Yeah, master. So to extract a zip files, we just click on the file and extract all. And I'm going to place it where I want the actual files to go to. And that is going to be, for me, it's going to be under JavaScript 2, week 2. And I'm just going to leave it there and hit select folder. Get rid of that. So now all the files that was in JavaScript JS2 Spring 2020 is now going to go into my desktop JavaScript 2 folder, week 2 folder. I hit extract. Go ahead and close that out. Open it back up. Go ahead to desktop, and it is JavaScript 2, week 2, so JS2 Spring 2020 is the folder. Go ahead and click on that, and then we'll start seeing the similar structure as we saw in GitHub. So where we're going to go, where I put my extracted files is under week 2, number guesser, and this is the file that we want. Index start week 2 HTML. So we're going to open that, and we're going to open it by right-clicking on it, open with, in VS Code. All right. I'm going to close this out because I had something else open, and in an effort to not have to do this video again, I want to close everything out. Make sure everything's closed out. Is everything closed out? No, it's not. I need to actually close the individual files. Okay. Now, okay. So right click, open with VS Code. Okay. So far so good. So this is an HTML file, as you can see, and that's the only file that we're going to be making some updates to. So, and I've made separate videos describing what I want you to do Some of it's based off that CS50 JavaScript video I recommended watching, but I made a separate video describing what exactly it is that I want you to do. So everything that you're going to be doing is ends on line 30, well, line 32. It ends here with a closing form. Line 32 will actually move because you're going to put some content in it. But this is the last thing that you'll see. So everything you'll be doing is from here up, okay? You'll be adding functions. You'll be adding some styling. So we're going to be playing with some CSS. And we're going to be adding a form. So we're going to be playing with some HTML elements as well. The only function that we're playing with is actually up here. Okay. So after you do that, after you do everything you're supposed to do on that and you're ready to submit it, the way you do that is make sure you save it. You go ahead and upload it. Make sure you're in your repo and not in mine. So yours should say whatever yours is. We go to week 2. Actually, let me go through this whole process because I don't think I can describe it well if I don't go through it. Okay, so I'm going to do something. Oh, that's not right. Okay. So I made some edits to it. And there's Git functions and GitHub functions within VS Code, but we're not going to go into that right now. Just kind of focus on one way of going about it at a time. So I am going to, so I've already saved it. So you should see it. It's just been recently saved at 7:30. Oh, there it is. Okay. It was just recently saved at 10:38, which is the current time that I'm on. So it's saved. And so all we need to do is this. I want you to go to, again, you're in your GitHub account. And I want you to upload a file. Find the file that you just updated. Add it. Oops. Did not do that. Okay. Completed the exercise problems. Spell exercise. That works. Hit commit changes. Now again, I'm under Tasha Penwell HC, so I'm seeing it. This is from the student's perspective. So when you look, So when I look on week 2, which is where these files are in, you can see where the recent commit changes. I completed the exercise problems. And if you actually take a deeper dive into it, you'll be able to look to see that it's got hello, which is what I had. So that's working. So it took those changes and it uploaded in here. So what you need to do next, so that I can see what you've done. I just realized my original idea is not going to work, so we're not going to do that. All I want you to do is copy and paste this URL. And whenever I pull it up, copy and paste that as the assignment. And whenever I pull it up, I'll be able to see exactly what you did. Okay? Within here. Okay. So that's how you get the assignment, you make the edits to it, you upload it, and then that's how you submit it by copying and pasting this URL to me on Blackboard. So let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.